Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. I am Tabassum Shafiq from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are perfectly fine and enjoying good health. I welcome you all on our YouTube channel, Multan Public School and College, for boys and girls. Dear friends, look at this picture. Who is he? He is a boy. What is he doing? Yes, perfect. He is offering namaz. So dear, today's topic is namaz. We will discuss in detail. Are you ready, guys? Perfect. So let's start today's lesson. In this image, many people are gathered in a place. Can you tell me the name of the place? Yes, it's a mosque. And the first man who is standing in front of the people is called Imam. And the people who are standing behind the Imam in the form of Jamaat. They are standing in the form of Jamaat. It's very important for the male members of the family to offer namaz in the form of Jamaat in mosque. In this image, can you tell me what the first man is doing? Yes, guys, he is calling the people for namaz. And the call for namaz is called Azan. It's a very interesting image. A child is offering namaz and his all toys are following him. They are offering namaz behind him in the form of Jamaat. I hope you enjoyed this image. Let's move. Dear friends, dua is an important part of namaz. After namaz, it's very important to ask Allah's guidance and His mercy upon us. So dear friends, here I have discussed with you the vocabulary of namaz. Let's move to the main topic. I am going to share with you the information related to namaz. Let's start our first topic. What is namaz? Namaz is the worship of Allah. In namaz, we praise Allah and accept that He is our master and we are His servants. We ask Him for His guidance and thank Him for all His blessings that He has given us. Dear friends, namaz is the only way to communicate with Allah. Because during namaz, we imagine that Allah is in front of us and He is listening what we are saying. So it's very important to offer namaz with full meanings and attention. The Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, of all our acts, Allah likes namaz the most. It's mean Allah likes our acts, but the best act that Allah likes is the offering namaz. So dear friends, don't forget to offer your namaz 5 times a day. Here I'm gonna share the important points about namaz. So friends, keep in mind. First is, all Muslims must pray 5 times a day. Namaz is the important and the second pillar of Islam. In Arabic, namaz is called salat. Call for namaz is called azan. Namaz is the first thing to be asked about on the day of judgment. So dear friends, how many times we offer namaz in a day? 5 times. Namaz is the dash pillar of Islam. Second pillar of Islam. Namaz is called salat in Arabic and call for namaz is called azan. Very good. The first question, on the Day of Judgment will be about namaz. Perfect. Keep in mind all these points. Let's move. At what age should namaz becomes compulsory? Dear friends, namaz is farz, that is compulsory for all Muslims. No Muslim must miss his namaz. Children must start saying their namaz when they are 7 years old, and it becomes compulsory when they are 10 years old. So friends, keep in mind, we have to start namaz at the age of 7 and it's become compulsory at the age of 10. Perfect. Let's move. Dear friends, we all know that Allah loves us, so Allah has set alarm for us. We have to manage our days according to these alarms. So these alarms are called 5 prayers. We have to divide our days in between these 5 prayers. So friend, first is Fajr. Second namaz is Zohar. Third namaz Asr. Fourth is Maghrib. Very good. And the fifth one Isha. These are the 5 prayers. So friends, I am going to share with you the timings when we offer Fajr. Fajr we offer in the early morning before dawn. It's mean before the sun rising we have to offer Fajr. Zohar in the afternoon after midday. Asr is the late afternoon before sunset. Maghrib after sunset, and the Isha at night. Keep in mind the timings. Here we have an activity. Dear friend, it's time to remember the timings of the namaz. So friend, we start from the Fajr prayer. First prayer is Fajr. Look at the position of the sun. Sun is about to rise. It's dawn time. So Fajr is called dawn prayer. Zohar is second namaz. Sun is at the top of the sky. It's midday time. So Zohar is called midday namaz. At afternoon, sun is about to move. It's Asr time. So Asr namaz is called afternoon prayer. Here we have Maghrib. Sun is about to set. It's called sunset prayer. So Maghrib is sunset prayer. Isha is offered at night. So Isha is called night prayer. So friends, keep in mind these all prayer timings. Move to the next. Dear friends, it's very important to fulfill the requirements of Salat before offering it. The body, clothes and the place of namaz must be clean. The parts of the body that are necessary to be covered must be covered. You have to stand for Salat at correct time. Perform wuzu, ablution, face the Qibla. An intention to pray is very important. We must remember that we are going to stand in front of Allah. So be clean and be alert. It's time for some feedback. So friends, you have to fill these statements. Open your books please. Lesson number 6. Yes, the first statement is namaz is an important dash of Islam, pillar of Islam. We read passages or dash from the Quran in namaz. Surah. A person is closest to Allah when he is dash praying. We face the dash while praying Khana-e-Kaaba. Dash means to purify oneself before the namaz. Wuzu. Well done friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. On next slide, I am going to share with you the answers. So tally your answers. So guys, tally your answers. I hope you all have done. I am going to share the question answer regarding this unit. So prepare your question answer well. Have a good day.